Hey friends, this is the Samsung B650D, a 3.1 channel Dolby soundbar. But wait, what is 3.1 channel? Because according to audio standards, after 2.1 channel, we usually have 5.1 channel. So just wait, I will explain it in just 1 minute. Guys, as you all know very well that a 5.1 channel system has one subwoofer and 5 channels. Out of these, one is a center channel for vocals and the other speakers create surround sound. These are front left, front right, rear left and rear right. Now just imagine we combine the front left and rear left channels and also combine the front right and rear right channels. The system we get after this combination is our 3.1 channel system. So in just simple terms, we can say that in a 3.1 channel system, there is one vocal channel, also called the center channel, and two other channels on the left and right side of this center channel. These two channels play sounds for both the front left and the front right, as well as the rear left and the rear right. Guys, I hope you have understood the concept of 3.1 channel. Now let's see how powerful its sound performance is. This speaker. But before that, please listen to this sound sample that I have recorded for you very carefully.
Empty hearts and neon lights, they're playing with my mind. Gotta get out of here tonight. Oh, I wanna run off and fly. And I'll tell myself it's fine to be alone, just to find somewhere that finally feels like home. I hate all this overthinking. The more I swim, the more I'm sinking. Take me to the world of silver. No more heartbreaks, tears, painkillers. Take me somewhere unfamiliar. Bring me back to where we started. Get me out of now. To where we started.
Guys, Samsung claims that the total power output of this system is 370 watts. And for that much power, you can't really call it super loud. But yes, it is enough loud for rooms up to 250 to 280 square feet. And the best part is, even at 100% volume, you will not feel any significant distortion in the sound. Now, Samsung has not revealed the size of its subwoofer. Guys, but the deep bass it produces is quite powerful. You can easily experience deep bass down up to 40 Hz in a good amount. The bass has a good chest thumping effect and you will experience strong vibration whether you are listening to hip hop music or watching action scenes and explosive scenes in movies. The deep bass performance is good, but the bass attack is quite missing, guys. The heartbeats in songs sound and feel quite soft. So those who like soft bass will be okay, but those who want to feel the punch and beat very strongly might not enjoy it. Now we talk about upper bass, which is the bass you hear rather than feel, is very controlled and limited in this system. And I think there should have been a little more upper bass, because in music instruments feel a bit light. If they were a bit heavier, it would be better, I think. However, the vocals here are delivered very clearly and there is a good sense of openness in the vocals too. Even in movies, you will hear even the smallest whispers clearly. You will not feel like you have to strain your ears to hear dialogues, which I felt with the JBL Cinema SB560, where dialogues often felt congested, too congested, guys, and have some darkness also. When it comes to the highs, I mean treble, guys, I found them to be just average, very average, meaning they are sufficient but not extraordinary. Guys, you can't feel every single sparkle in the music. I think if Samsung had added two more tweeters, perhaps that would have been possible. But then Again, for 13,000 rupees, you can't expect everything at once, right? Now I will finally tell you who should buy this soundbar and who should not. If your budget is around 13,000 rupees, your room size is less than 280 square feet, and you don't listen to music or watch movies at very loud volume, and you want a system where the bass is boosted, especially the sub bass or lower bass, and the overall bass is soft, then this system is absolutely perfect for you. However, if you want a system with a perfect punch in the bass and good clarity in the bass, or if you want to experience proper surround sound, then this system is not for you, guys. Listen carefully, because this is a 3.1 channel system, you will not get surround sound here. For that surround sound, a minimum 5.1 channel system is necessary. I hope you now have a clear understanding of whether the Samsung B650D is for you or not. Now I will take your leave and see you in the next video. Until then, bye bye.